Now we are going to solve a new problem. 3 power of x is equal to x power of 9. So here we have to find the value of x. To find the value of x, what you do? Take a new power, that is 1 by x into 9. Apply this new power on left side and both sides. That is 3 power of x. So whole power 1 by x into 9, as well as on the right side also we will apply the same power 1 by x into 9. We know that a to the power of m whole to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m into n. So now 3 power x into 1 by x into 9. Here x to the power 9 into 1 by x into 9. Now x is going to cancel, 9 is going to cancel. We left with 1 into 1 by 9. Here x to the power 1 by x. Now our aim is to change the left side part just like as a right side part. So for that what we will do? Multiply and divide this power with 3 by 3. So now x to the power of 1 by x, this is same as it is right side. So if you multiply and divide, it become 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So now split the power just like this. 3 power 3 whole power 1 by 27. So now 3 power 3 is nothing but 27. This is also 1 by 27. Now left side value, right side value, both are looking same. So now they are in the same form. So finally we can conclude that from this x is equal to 27. The value of x is nothing but 27.